We're going to the Country Hollow Country Club in Woodbury, Long Island to work for our great clients, Choice for All. So we're going to be visualizing the keynote speaker and all the educational workshops that are happening for the educators.
Let's give it up for the 10th annual Building Responsive Practices Conference. Awesome. And also we have ImageThink, who is our visual storytelling partner. We have Nora, who is our visual artist that's here today. So in real time, as our keynote presents and some of our presentations happen, she will be drawing it. So for our visual learners, she'll be able to get that and capture pictures at the same time. Our goal really is to make sure that every child has access to a robust pre-K and early childhood program across Long Island. And we want to make sure that no matter your zip code or your background, every child has a seat and everyone's able to get quality care. Does that make sense?
It used to be that we would gauge whether a parent is involved if we could see them. If they visited your school, if you saw their faces, they were the visible parents, they were the involved parents. No. We have also parents who are invisible to you, who are also engaged and want to be engaged in different ways and different places.
So all these kinds of activities help develop mathematical talk and reasoning, and it connects visual to patterns that they see. Kind of gives you some problem solving and some flexible thinking, right? A little higher level skills.
Being able to see her in real time, be able to capture not only the little details that people matter of it, but also being able to see the heart of the message that our presenters are bringing.
Because a lot of people are visual learners. So although you're speaking to them and they're listening, they understand better when they can see it visually.
And that's exactly what we want, is people to be able to see themselves in the story that she's able to capture through illustrations and art, but more importantly, folks to be able to remind themselves of the conversation when they often may forget. And so I thought that was a really opportunity to be able to see that together.
So I'm so appreciative to Nora and her team giving back and making something that could be negative beautiful and giving us hope within that.
Well, that's a wrap. These educators were so warm and receptive, and Choice for All are amazing partners, and we're really proud to make all of the content visible to everyone here and all of those teachers and administrators that weren't able to attend.